May mga nahihiya, merong makakapal din ang mukha na gusto mailagay sa TV. Walang pakialam no? Yung iba, siguro hindi nagpaalam sa bahay. For your information, medyo delayed telecast tayo. Wag lang sa streaming, Oy, natusukan. So far, maganda yung battle nung game, It's close, it's tight. Neither side really pulling away substantially. Dikit ang laban. Uy, just above si Soraya. Hindi na-connect ni Dawis. Mali daw niya. Pakiramdam niya mali. Tabakero. Angeli and Soraya, boy, they're going to be very good friends as the tournament progresses. Formia Soraya likes Tabakero. Si Angie is a good finisher,
Yes. Ever since.
She's a good finisher. She does not waste points unless injured siya. I've seen her play na injured siya. Cases, Semana, Ortiz. Anong tawag?
Net violation.
Net violation. Maalog pa yung net,
Wendy Ann Semana, serving.
Tripachot. Ay! Tripachot and making no problem with that. It's as crackling as her name. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza's gotta be Shakey's. Pinaluan. Sabi ko na nga ba. Nice double block. And it's off. I think the libero. Yes.
Pero nandun na yung palo niya
Nung last tournament, she was playing herself into shape.
Yes.
Oh, what a set. Diyos ko, lundagan ng lundagan. Sarap maging bata,
Philippine Air Force.
Ako po si Joy Casas ng Philippine Air Force. At kayo nanonood ng Shakey's Feeling Open Conference